Hi friends, today I am doing an unboxing from AiBOCN, and they have these gold desk accessories that they sent me. It says there's 11 pieces, so let's open it up and see what's in here. All right, oh, lots of goodies. So I'm going to go ahead and pan the camera down on the floor here so I can show you everything that is in this box. All right, so let's see what's in here. So we have this clear acrylic ruler. It's a 6-inch one, if you can see it. And we got some staples. So there's a stapler in here. And this is the gold rose, which is really pretty. Look at this. Look at this pin. We'll check it out. That's one that you just twist. Then you have the little crystal on there. Yeah, and then you have some clips, paper clips, and some push pins. I'll leave that open here. Well, I'll tell you what, this is challenging for me all the time. Not having those fingernails. This is really nice. Let's see. It has to be a groove to open it. There we go. Pretties in there. And the next item is the staple puller. Get it out of here. Yeah, all challenging for me with no fingernails. Oh, goodness. This one does not want to come out. There we go. Just going to push it out through the thing. There we go. Oh, I like that. Check it out, it has a safety thing. Yeah, I like that. All right, and then a pair of scissors. Okay, this must have it's got a little thing on it. That's why, It's a pretty good sized pair of scissors, as you can see. It's in my hand. Let's get the ruler. Where'd the ruler go? So it is like 5 3/4 long. So that is still a good size pair of scissors. Oh, you get a tape dispenser, and it comes with tape on it already. That is nice, really nice. Of course, here's the stapler. I'm going to put some staples in it and we'll test it out. Oh, and then you got a holder here for your phone to sit on. Then you have your pen/pencil holder. And of course you can put your scissors in here and everything. And we will go do that. Actually, we're going to go take it into another room and I'm going to set all this up on a desk. The first thing we're going to do is I just have this little empty page notebook here. And we're going to test out a few things that we have. Grab the tape for over here. All right, so first thing is this. I have some of this scrapbooking paper that I'm just going to put on here. I'm just going to actually just tape it. Cuts really well. All right, and I just have this cute little notepad here. So I'm going to put on there. And I'm actually just going to try out the stapler here. Yeah, it's not pretty, but we're just trying everything out, seeing how it works. And I go, oh no, I don't want to do that. Me, I'm not good at staple pulling. Probably would work a lot better. All right. So we pulled the staple out. Yes, we messed her up. But that's okay. And then we're just going to try the pin. There we go. So everything works. Definitely try the scissors here too. See how, oh yeah, these are nice. Nice, smooth scissors here. Probably Getting in there too much for you there. All right, well, those work good. So everything is working. Of course, we have our fun little things. I gotta find the, I like you get 2 different sizes of your clips. And you get small paper clips here. And then, of course, your push pins for a bulletin board. You've got the little rose gold there. All right. Let's put this back. All right, so now I'm just going to do a little arrangement. Oopsie. On here with everything. And we'll see how the desk turns out. All right, so this is what I did. Since I use my phone as my camera, I didn't put my phone over here. I just thought it'd be cute. You could also put a little notepad. I have this cute little frame that I did a few years ago. And I just kind of placed everything out on here because, you know, this stuff is so pretty. You want to keep it out. I really think, I love this rose gold. Yeah, it's really, really pretty. For right now, I have it in this room, but I may put the stuff down in my office downstairs because I haven't got it finished yet, so it's a little bit of a mess. But this is probably going to go down there when I get that done. But I really love this. I think this is great quality. It's got a very great price for it. I will have the link down below if you're interested. And I think it might come in another color too. Can't remember. I got the rose gold. I really love this. It's got to back up a little bit. Here we go. I want to thank AiBOCN for sending me this gorgeous desk accessory set. This will go down in my office. I just can't believe how gorgeous this is. I love this rose gold. I think it will look perfect down in my office with my grayish desk. And yeah, I just can't get over it. This is a really smooth pen too. Very, very, very pleased. I will have a link down below if you're interested in it. Like I said, you get 11 pieces and it's very reasonably priced. Okay, I want to wish everybody a very wonderful day and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.